To stand the test of time, a home needs a strong foundation. Building a legacy takes hard work and sacrifice. It requires the strength of your hands and the sweat of your brow. The power to raise walls. The determination to push through.
Rain and heavy wind today, folks. You might want to stay inside.
You were made for this. It's not just a job, but a calling. From start to finish, RIDGID delivers superior tools you can depend on. Tools backed by the industry's best lifetime service agreement. RIDGID, built for a lifetime.